Hello everyone, I'm glad you are back on the channel. I will be using Python, OpenAI and ChatGPT to build a chatbot in this video. So let us start the process. So to achieve that I must have an API key. As I am using OpenAI library, so I need a key. To create a key, go to Google and search for platform.openai.com. And okay, click on the profile and click on view API keys. Click on create a secret key, new secret key. Just copy the key you have generated and go to the Python file and write the command as I am writing. API key equals paste the API key that you have generated. In the next line, import OpenAI. If you haven't installed OpenAI, click on the terminal and just write pip install OpenAI. Pip install OpenAI. Okay, I had already installed it. That's why I'm getting this. So now importing OS. Import OS dot environment. Open key is equal OS dot environment. Open key equal API key. And OpenAI dot API key equals to the OS environment. Okay, now the prompter, keep prompting equals true while, we will use while here, and prompt equals okay prompt. Input ask me anything dot and type exit if done \n if done. You can write anything you want to prompt on the screen. If prompt equals exit, then it will give return false. That is keep prompting equals to false, else response variable response equals OpenAI equals OpenAI dot completion dot create engine. We will copy the engine from the website itself. So first prompt equals The prompt we have already uh, given. That prompt equals input, ask me anything, type exit if done. And the maximum tokens equals thousands. You can give any tokens number like 200, 500, 2000, anything. For the engine, go to the website again and click on documentation and models. In the models, go to ChatGPT 3 and search for the latest model available and read the description if you want. Most capable ChatGPT 3 model, and its maximum request is 4000 token, so it is the latest and very good. You may use any of this. I'm using the latest one. Just copy it and go to your Python file, paste it on the engine. Okay, and to print the response, print response. Response in the response choices, and the text. So code is ready. Let's run and try it. Okay. So finally we got ask me anything, type exit if done. So let's ask some question like write a program to add two numbers in C++. Press enter and okay, we got the output has include iStream. Wow, this is the program to write and add two numbers in C++, and it is absolutely correct. Again, the prompter has shown me ask me anything and type exit if done. So let me ask a question like who is Narendra Modi? Oh, who is Narendra Modi? And wait for the answer. Yes, Narendra Modi is an Indian politician. Currently, he is the PM of India. So, wow, it is working absolutely fine. Is it? If it is working or not? So, exit. So we are out of the program, and let's see the same program in the ChatGPT, which is online available on Google. So open ChatAI and let's see if it is also showing the same answer, a different one. So okay, paste the question and wait for the answer. Okay, has included a string. So it is giving the same answer, exact copy. Whatever you say, if you are a programmer, you can understand. It is giving the same answer of what we had got in our program and what we got on AI ChatGPT. So we had created our own AI chatbot. Okay, done. Help me grow the channel. So subscribe it and comment the next topic you want the video of. Thanks for watching.